Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rotate screen on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. To do that, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select System on the sidebar, then go to Display and find Display Orientation. By default, you will have Landscape selected, but you can change it to, for example, Portrait, and then you'll have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them. If you don't do anything within this time, the changes will be reverted, so let's keep changes. And now if you want to rotate your screen back, you have to switch from Portrait to Landscape and keep changes. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.